You're listening to Independent TV 7. Kindly click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel at Independent TV 7. Also, don't forget to click the bell icon to get more notification. Thanks for watching.
The legality of media trial using Nnamdi Kanu as a case study. The social media was on fire over the arrest of Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, on June 29, 2021. The suspect was exposed all over the mass media under the watchful eyes of general public, and judgment was passed against Nnamdi Kanu before the trial commenced. This has led to the outbreak controversy of the fundamental slogan of fair hearing, commonly used by human rights lawyers, innocent until found guilty. On contrary, well, the popular slogan operates under the Nigerian law by virtue of Section 36 of the 1999 Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. It is one of the fundamental principles of fair hearing, where everyone is presumed to be innocent until contrary is proven by a court of competent jurisdiction. The principle states the procedure which an accused person should be tried and treated under the police custody in order to secure the suspect from frivolous and malicious prosecution. The suspect is deemed innocent until the contrary is proven during trial and judgment is passed by the trial courts. However, the advent of mass media emulated a trial known as media trial, which has led to a silent breach of citizen fundamental rights. Media trial is a form of trial where suspect or accused person are tried through various mass communications. Examples of such are televisions, radios, newspapers, etc. Suspects are exposed all over the social media where bad are meant to be painted, and judgment is passed against them before trial commences. This is contrary to the provision of the Constitution, and as such creates a breach of fundamental human rights of fair hearing. The rationale behind this is that the media has a huge influence on the minds of an average individual. Therefore, the court, especially the judge, may be influenced negatively when bad image of the suspect are being circulated on the media before judgment. This brings the suspect in a bad light, which might cause the accused person rights to defend and prove his or her innocence. A popular example of media trial is the case of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of indigenous people of Biafra. Nnamdi Kanu was arrested in Kenya 3 years after jumping bail and left the country without the country's and the court's permission to United Kingdom. He has been arraigned in the Federal High Court, and fresh charge was filed against him on treason and treasonable felony. In the course of trial, the federal government has accused Nnamdi Kanu through numerous publication and television broadcasts as the perpetrator of the civil unrest in Southeast. The federal government, through the Attorney General of the Federation, Abubakar Malami, accused Nnamdi Kanu of instigating violence, especially in the southeastern Nigeria, that resulted in the loss of lives and properties of civilians, military, paramilitary, police force, destruction of civil institution and symbol of authority. In the words of Malami, captured by the Abuja Reporter, statements like these are defamatory and puts the accused in the bad light in the eyes of the general public, hereby creating an assumption of guilt even before trial has commenced. This is a negative practice and should be abolished to protect the sanctity of the accused. It's therefore clear from the above statements that such issues should be curtailed by the legislature. The National Assembly should make a quick amendment to the Administration of Criminal Justice Act law preventing media coverage and publication of criminal case during trial. All trial information should be made private, hereby protecting the presumption of innocence of the accused until an admission of guilt is proven in the court of law. I think Malami deserves a slap for that. Just imagine going about trying to tarnish the image of Nnamdi Kanu as he has won. This so-called story of Malami is really funny. Just imagine Malami going about trying so hard to make sure that he tarnishes the good name of Nnamdi Kanu. Does Malami even have a name? Just because Buhari managed to put him where he is, he feels that he is above the law and is trying so hard to even be the president instead of the president himself. Does someone get what I'm saying? Just imagine. This so-called Malami safe, where Buhari go even pick him from? Because the man himself does not even understand what he is doing or where he is and what he's supposed to be doing. Oh goodness, Nigeria. These people are confused and they think they are confusing us. Wow, this is really getting more and more interesting. Just imagine a whole Malami. Malami thinks that he has gotten everything just because the president is helping him. Just imagine. So him being with the president, he feels that he has the authority of doing whatever he feels like doing without being questioned. How can you go about painting someone black? Painting someone names, giving the person names that does not even belong to the person just because you want the person to look bad in the eyes of the society. There is a popular saying that giving a dog a bad name just because you want to hang it would not really help. This is the case of Malami. He's trying so hard to make Nnamdi Kanu bad in the eyes of the society. All for what? All because he wants to look good. Nigerian government don't know what to say about Nnamdi Kanu. That's why they are postponing his case, not knowing that God is with us. Well, there is no legal constitution in Nigeria. What do you mean by he jumped bail instead of the plan to assassinate him using federal agency? Hey! Well, we all know that story and it's no longer new to the ears of Nigerians. We all know what they plan to do to Nnamdi Kanu that made run away. They are not telling us how they went to his hometown, his own residence, and killed so many innocent people in the compound. Yet they are trying so hard to make Nnamdi Kanu look like the villain, while they themselves are the devils. Not only in the words of Malami, but also in the world of conventional law, Kanu is accused of instigating violence and killing of innocent citizens of Southeast as well of other part of Nigeria. Ha ha ha! Let me laugh to that, gullible people. What do they mean by saying that he jumped bail? Why can't they go as far as saying that he killed his sister and his father, and that is why he ran away? Well, enjoying trial he never gave to his victims. Okay, I don't understand what you are talking about or where you woke up from, but all I know is that Nigerian government are trying so hard to make Nnamdi Kanu look bad in the eyes of the whole world and the people of Southeast. But we know better not to believe in all these trashy things they are saying about Nnamdi Kanu. Well, you can go to the comment section and share your take on this article. Thanks for listening.